In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use voice messages on Slack. We'll walk through the steps together to make sure you can easily communicate with your team via voice. This feature is a great way to add a more personal touch to your messages, and it's very convenient for conveying tone and detail when typing just won't cut it. So, let's dive right in. First off, head over to the Slack website. If you're not already familiar, Slack is a popular messaging platform used by businesses and teams for communication and collaboration. Since you'll probably be using Slack often, you might want to bookmark the site for quick access next time. Once you're on the website, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on Sign In. This will bring you to the login page. If your team uses Google accounts for authentication, which is quite common, you'll notice a Google option. Click on that to streamline your sign-in process. You'll be prompted to sign in using your Google account. Simply select your account from the options provided, or enter your credentials if it's not displayed. After signing in, you'll be welcomed to your Slack homepage. Here you can see all your channels and direct messages, making it easy to jump into conversations. Now, navigate to the specific channel or direct message you want to send a voice message in. Your channels are listed on the left side of the screen. Clicking any of these will bring you directly to the chat area where you usually type your messages. In the chat box at the bottom, you'll see an array of icons. Among them, there's a little microphone or record icon. This is your gateway to recording voice messages. Click on this icon when you're ready to record your message. Once you've clicked the record icon, go ahead and speak your message. Make sure you're close enough to your microphone so that your voice is clear. There's no time limit, but concise messages are often appreciated for clarity and comprehension. After you've finished speaking, look for the checkbox icon. Clicking this lets Slack know you're done recording. If you're happy with your message, press Enter to send it off to your intended recipients. It's as simple as that. Your voice message will be posted in the channel or direct chat for all involved parties to listen to at their convenience. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a voice message on Slack. Using voice messages can not only save you time, but also ensure that your message comes across as intended, with the right tone and emotion. So next time typing doesn't quite suffice, remember you have this nifty tool at your disposal. Thanks for watching and happy messaging.